Good evening to everyone in round two. I hope you're all doing great. I'm here with you for the daily Bitcoin analysis on February 13th. We're on the daily time frame. As you can see, since the start of this week, we've witnessed a drop of more than 5.5% in Bitcoin. Meanwhile, the price of Bitcoin is fluctuating between the $72,000 range and its order block around the $60,000 area. One of the biggest drops this week happened on Wednesday, February 11th, which we can mainly attribute to reports of BlackRock transferring 600 units of Bitcoin to a Coinbase exchange address, causing significant selling pressure. Although this transfer could be a routine action for portfolio rebalancing, retail traders usually interpret such moves as signs of imminent selling. On the other hand, U.S. economic data and January employment reports have made traders concerned that the Federal Reserve will maintain high interest rates, which acts as a barrier to the growth of risky assets. We are currently observing the liquidity flow of Bitcoin ETF funds. As we can see, there has been a significant outflow from these funds over the past 2 days. On this page, where we can view the liquidity flow statistics for the past 30 days, we see that outflows have been greater than inflows. Meanwhile, the Fear and Greed Index has once again dropped to 8, and we are still in the extreme fear zone. We are on the 4-hour time frame. The market has entered a markdown phase with several consecutive bearish break of structures, clearly displaying a lower low and lower high structure. During the pullbacks to liquidity zones and FVG, the price has faced rejection, indicating active supply in the premium areas. The sharp jump we saw from the $60,000 zone was mostly a liquidity grab, but it was not able to change the overall structure. As long as the price does not stabilize above the 4-hour order block, the prevailing bias will remain bearish and downward, increasing the likelihood of continued movement toward lower sell-side liquidity. We are currently looking at the Bitcoin Liquidity Map. In the short term, the largest liquidity pools that the price can react to have formed above and below the recent move. The highest buy-side liquidity near the current price is at $68,577, and the highest sell-side liquidity is at $64,865. We are on the 1-hour time frame. We can see that, exactly as we predicted 2 days ago, after the price reached the FVG area at 68,500, it showed a rejection from this area and started its downward movement. In its downward movement, it filled the FVG at the $65,420 area and reacted to the 1-hour order block. And now, as we saw in the liquidity map, the largest nearby liquidity is located at the FVG in the $68,800 area and the 1-hour order block at $64,800. The price can move from one liquidity area to another by collecting each of these liquidities. But as we mentioned, the overall bias is currently bearish. So we can expect that once again, the price will collect liquidity at the FVG, similar to the FVG at $67,340, and after showing a reaction to it, move toward the sell-side liquidity. Wishing you success and profitable trades.